The 2022 Avalon is Toyota's flagship take on full-size refinement and style. Assembled in America, like it has been ever since its introduction in 1994, this premium sedan offers a choice between a smooth and spirited V6 or a hybrid electric powertrain. And this year, the hybrid XSE Nightshade Edition joins the Avalon family, while the entire lineup has plenty of safety and technology upgrades to write home about. Let's check it out. For 2022, Avalon features 6 configurations across 4 grades, dividing the lineup into 2 distinct personalities. On one side sits the refined XLE and Limited grades, which are available in both gas and hybrid configurations. And on the sporty end of the spectrum, the XSE Nightshade Hybrid and Touring grades, which possess undeniable attitude and striking style. Even at a glance, it's clear that Avalon's bold and easy-on-the-eyes design is unlike anything else on the road. It's both lower and wider than the previous generation, with smooth and sculpted body lines throughout, as well as a choice between 2 distinct grilles. And Avalon stands out from other sedans with dashing exterior colors like Blueprint and Supersonic Red. The expressive styling also carries over to the high-tech exterior lighting systems, which are entirely LED on all grades. The available sequential turn signals add a high-tech kick to everyday driving, and adaptive cornering lamps help to light the way during turns, lane changes, and even parking. Meanwhile, the Touring grade boasts distinctive styling with its sport mesh grille, trunk lid spoiler, and lower diffuser between quad tailpipes. And finally, XSE Nightshade Hybrid makes a daring entrance with its 19-inch black painted alloy wheels, black window trim, and black accents throughout. Avalon's interior is so sleek and stylish, it raises the bar for refined interior design. And nearly every nook and cranny is lined with soft-touch surfaces and premium materials, including genuine open-pore wood, aluminum, and quilted leather trim, standard on Limited models. And for an extra dose of luxury, the Touring grade can be outfitted in a cognac with black interior. Avalon's cabin also delivers superb comfort and convenience, with available 4-way lumbar support on the standard heated front seats, as well as 60/40 split folding rear seats. Of course, it wouldn't be an Avalon if the cabin didn't exude a sense of peace and quiet. To this end, a huge emphasis was placed on minimizing Avalon's noise, vibration, and harshness levels, or NVH. And for drivers wanting even more serenity, the available active noise control system neutralizes unwanted engine noise using anti-sound wave technology. Avalon's legacy of luxury doesn't come at the expense of innovation, and this new generation is jam-packed with Toyota's latest and greatest technology. This includes a 9-inch audio multimedia system that features standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. In addition, Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices, while Amazon Alexa connectivity keeps Amazon's digital assistant just a question away. Plus, there's even a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription to more than 300 radio channels accessible throughout the country. Next, Avalon's standard 8-speaker audio system can be upgraded to a JBL 7.1-channel surround system with 14 speakers, including a 10.1-inch subwoofer. Avalon also offers plenty of useful amenities like available Qi wireless charging, 5 USB charge ports with 2 USB Type-C ports, and an optional head-up display that projects vehicle information right in the driver's line of sight. And all of Avalon's multimedia systems work seamlessly with Toyota's line of available connected services, including Remote Connect, Safety Connect, Service Connect, and Wi-Fi Connect. The 2022 Avalon also puts a high premium on the latest safety technology, starting with the new Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus suite on all models. TSS 2.5 Plus features an enhanced pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. Additionally, Avalon also features the STAR safety system, as well as an impressive list of safety and driver assistance systems, including blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, electronic parking brake with brake hold, a backup camera, 10 airbags, an available intelligent clearance sonar and rear cross traffic braking system, an available bird's eye view camera with perimeter scan, and a new rear seat reminder that calls attention to any precious cargo you may have left in the back seat. There's no denying that Avalon's got style, but does it have the chops to back up its audacious looks? Without a doubt. In fact, all Avalon models are powered by either a muscular 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a direct shift 8-speed automatic transmission, or a remarkably efficient 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain that offers smooth and refined acceleration thanks to the instant torque delivery of its electric motor. And XSE Nightshade Hybrid, Limited, and Touring models crank up the fun even further with some of the smartest drive mode features Toyota has ever made. These models have the ability to completely transform their driving manners at the push of a button, literally. Plus, Avalon features a fully independent suspension and an available adaptive control system, which adjusts each wheel's suspension damping settings on the fly, helping to optimize both driving comfort and fun at all times. And the Touring grade takes it to another level with its drive mode system featuring a unique Sport Plus mode that amps up the aggressive engine note during acceleration, adjusts the adaptive variable suspension system and steering for even greater stability and performance, and even tweaks the engine and transmission tuning for maximum responsiveness. As Toyota's flagship sedan, it goes without saying that Avalon is packed to the brim with premium features and clever technologies. This thrilling vehicle cuts a striking silhouette on Toyota's proven TNGA platform, while the new XSE Nightshade Hybrid delivers again and again on style and efficiency. Plus, Avalon has earned plenty of accolades from the likes of Kelley Blue Book, NHTSA, and US News & World Report. Now factor in the Toyota Care no-cost maintenance plan with roadside assistance, Toyota's unbeatable resale values and long-term cost estimates, and exceptional warranty coverage like the 10-year 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty. And it's clear why Avalon is a legend in its class.